Hello and good morning YouTube. Hopefully everyone doing well. Our today's topic is how you can use VOLTE and Wi-Fi call on your Mate 20X. I'm using this mobile in Saudi Arabia. This model is not available officially in Saudi Arabia. I imported from Malaysia, but I was not able to use VOLTE and Wi-Fi call up to today morning. So what happened today morning is when I woke up, I received a software update from Huawei. As you can see here, I installed the software update from Huawei, which is 9.0.0.172. So just click on your settings to update the software and then go to the system, then click the software update. Make sure your mobile is connected to the Wi-Fi or any other network in order to download the software update and install it. So once your phone is updated to the latest software version available, you should be able to use Wi-Fi and VoLTE call on your mobile. If, guys, inverted comma, if these services supported by your carrier, even though you are having Mate 20X which is fully capable for these services, but your carrier is not supporting or providing these services, you won't able to use it. So make sure if your carrier is providing it or not. Now, how you can enable Wi-Fi and VoLTE in your mobile or in your Mate 20X? Simply go to the settings, then go click on wireless and networks, and then navigate to mobile network, which is here. Okay, when you are in mobile network, you should be able to see these tabs: 4G VoLTE, use 4G LTE data to place HD calls, and Wi-Fi calling. Now click on the Wi-Fi calling and then you can choose your preferred mode. But in some carriers may charge you extra fee for this service, but in my case, I'm using this mobile in Saudi Arabia and my carrier is Zain KSA, and Zain is the only one who's providing these services in the Middle East free of cost. So I have enabled my Wi-Fi call and I have chosen my preferred mode as a Wi-Fi. So what happened is, if I place any call right now, um, my calls will be routed through my Wi-Fi network instead of regular cellular network. As you can see on the top, very top here, my cellular network are very weak. That is because our office is surrounded by cladding and glasses which affect our cellular network. But my Wi-Fi access point is very near to me and I'm having very strong signal. So uh, I don't have to walk out of office to place and to get the call or SMS. Now I can use it. So since you can see green tab over here says Wi-Fi, which means all my call will be routed through Wi-Fi network. Another service which is VoLTE. So if my mobile is not connected to the Wi-Fi and my mobile data is on, I should able to see something on my dialer says VoLTE or VOLTE, which means now if I place a call and my mobile data is enabled, as you can see here, my calls will be connected using LTE network instead of GSMA or WDC or 4G. It will be connected using voice over LTE network. Okay guys, this how you can enable Wi-Fi and VoLTE call in your Huawei Mate 20X by installing the latest software available from Huawei. I I will recommend you guys, please do not root your device or do not break your TWRP security or don't break your device for using such services. There are some kind of customization you can do on your own to get these services enabled on your mobile, but eventually that will void your warranty and you may break your device. So simply guys, update your software from on the latest version available from Huawei, and make sure your carrier providing those services, and hopefully you'll be able to use same thing what I'm using in my Huawei Mate 20X. I hope this video will help you and you find this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, please like it, share it, and please subscribe to my channel. That's all for today. I'll see you in next one. Peace out.